If you want to strengthen your wrists, then this is a must-have. Wrist extension is a majorly overlooked exercise in most training programs. And if you include it, you're going to see a massive increase in not just wrist strength, but your arms, your shoulders, everything in your upper body. Now, make sure you stick around to the end and learn how to do this exercise correctly.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
We use this in the UMS to really bulletproof the forearms and prepare our members for the tougher work that's coming in the later phases. Now, as always, it's very important to pair any movement with its antagonist. So we need to do wrist extension and wrist flexion. So make sure you check out the video on wrist flexion as well. That's really important to understand. Now, make sure you stick around to the end, learn this technique properly, and let's build some seriously strong wrists. Dumbbell wrist extension. We use this to balance agonist and antagonist in the wrist and forearms. Most people can lift about half as much with wrist extension as they can with wrist flexion. Start with your arms resting on a bench in a pronated grip. Your little fingers will be against the end of the dumbbells to assist with keeping you in a pronated grip. When you flex your wrist, you will open your fingers as far as possible to maximize range of motion. Then as you lift, curl the fingers first and then extend the wrist. The 3 cues to think of are: keep your arms still, keep your weight in your arms, be intentional with end ranges. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and the Unified Movement System, or UMS. Right now, you're here watching our free content on YouTube. And since you've already come this far, I can tell you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit. But if you're ready to level up, our free Facebook coaching group is exactly what's going to help you do just that. Not only can you ask questions and post videos for feedback from us, I'll also give you one of my most popular and effective programs, the 20-minute flexibility routine, as a gift for joining our tribe. See, despite our combined 50 years of training at an elite level, despite how much quality content we give away on YouTube, at some point, your progression will come to a grinding halt due to limiting factors that are unique to you alone. Honestly, it's not your fault. You haven't done anything wrong. But our tribe is a testament that having an expert look at what you're doing and help you to break through plateaus is simply game-changing. So whether you want to get more flexible, stronger, fitter, or learn some awesome calisthenics moves, or even just perfect your squat technique, we can help you get there faster and safer. Oh, and before you go, if you haven't already, smash those like buttons and subscribe buttons. It goes a really long way to supporting our channel and helps us keep putting out the content we do. And if you prefer to listen, search any podcast platform for Sound of Movement to listen to our amazing interviews with coaches and experts in their field. Well, that's it. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. See you soon.